So here I'm discussing about that. If you are creating for one website cpanel, the cpanel purpose storage data, email account creation, forwarding, and we create for theme selection and making for website purpose and store the file purpose. Here, once coming to this website, someone are hacking your website. So you have to change for your cpanel password. The password will be always remember capital alphabet, small alphabet, special character, numeric. 4 are very important. Please write down. When you're adding for any password on the cpanel for changing or creating for new password. First one, small alpha character, big alpha character, special characters. We can using for @ and apostrophe mark. You can using for hyphen etc. also. And numeric. Numeric will be used. 0 also will be recommended. No issues. And always remember your character minimum required for 10. Required for how many? 10 characters. Now here, if you're changing for any cpanel login details, remember old version, new version completely change. Old version process will be different, new version process different. If you go advanced level, the company will be change the package. In this one, after logging your cpanel, here select option call is password and security. When you click the password and security, select your old password, type for new password, retype for the new password, the strength minimum required for 80 plus. Below 80, that is called weak. The password will be weak. Your web password will be strong. This is called 100%. When you click 100%, change your password here. Suppose if you are facing problem for creating for password, they can generate your password. Like this. Your wish. I have used the password. How much strong? Total 100%. These are the special characters, numeric, alpha, small and capital. Remember, sir, I don't have a numeric. I'm not interested in numeric. No need. You can using special character. Alpha character will be small and big one. Capital and small letters. Always remember, capital alphabet are mandatory field. Every password. These are very secure. If you're using maybe starting or middle, both are important. Starting and middle of your password. Is it clear? When changing your password, click for change option. Automatically change your password. Remember, unknown person, you're logging with your cpanel. So you don't know your old password. They can't change your new password. Remember. Suppose you're logging to your friend, use the cpanel. Suppose they can changing for cpanel password. They can't change. If anyone asking question, I'm logging your cpanel. They do change your cpanel password. They can't do change your cpanel password. Why? Because they need old password. When they know about the old password, they can change your new password.